Hello guys, this is Rahul again. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to export GPO from one computer and import it to another. This is going to be a local GPO. We are going to use the Microsoft deployment tool to do this task. This is the two-step process. So the GPO that we export from one PC, we cannot just import it directly from the network location to the different PC. So we have to copy them locally and then import them. So I'm going to show you step by step instructions how to do this. So first of all, I'm going to show you like where this tool is located. So the tool is here onto this Microsoft website. You can go onto Google, type in LGPO download and go to this link here, and you will see that the LGPO is right here. So you can download it, select LGPO and click download. I am not going to download it right now because I already have it downloaded. I am going to just minimize this. So the first thing we have to do is go to one PC, which is my test PC here, and make some changes onto the group policies. So I am going to use the gpedit.msc. I will find some policy and we are going to change it here. Let's do something very easy actually. So you see, as you see here, under the app privacy, under Windows components administrative template, there is a camera option here. Let Windows apps access the camera. I am going to disable this option. So this is the only change I am going to make and export this policy. So we export this policy from this computer. So when you export it, it exports everything, like whatever is like the Windows policy it has, like under this all the GPO. So but all we're going to monitor is this particular policy that we are making change here. So I disable this policy, and now we are going to export it using the LGPO to one of the folder. So I have the LGPO downloaded here onto the D drive. So I'm going to use this LGPO.exe and copy the export the policy. So let's go to command prompt here, D drive, and we have to go to GPOPack. So we can see that the LGPO.exe is right here. So the command to export the policy is LGPO.exe/B, and where we are exporting, I'm going to export to the same location actually. So I'm going to export it to GPOPack/my GPO. Let's see, my GPO does not have anything and it has something, so I'm going to delete this. Go back here. So this is the command I'm going to use and export it. Okay, I think this command need to be executed by the administrator. So I'm going to go back and run the command prompt again as the admin. Sorry. Okay, so Let's close this. I will delete whatever is exported here. We want the clean registry, clean policies. LGPO.exe /p t GPOPack my GPO. Perfect. So this is how it should go, and we have exported this registry key here. So this registry includes the changes that we made here. What we have to do here, we have to take this registry and copy into the MDT server. I mean the server where the MDT is installed. So that is my server here. I'm going to go to deployment share. This is where this MDT is configured. I'm going to go to script, and under GPOPack I am going to copy this one. So if you go inside, you will see that this is the backup of the test PC. I will rename this one to TestGPO. Okay, perfect. So we exported the GPO. Now the next thing we have to do is LGPO.exe. So we already have it on the D drive, and I have copied it onto the script folder as well here. So it's right here. So from this is where we're going to use the MDT and execute this LGPO and import it to the different PC. So I'm going to minimize this part now. Now, since we exported the GPO from this machine, test PC, I want to import it to a different machine now. So I have this machine here. This is a virtual machine. What I need to do here, I need to go to the server. Okay, this is fine here. All right. So this is where we're going to import the policy. Let's double check here that this is not configured here. I'm going to open this GP edit again here on this machine. Okay, so this is fine. All right. The next thing we are going to do, we will go to our MDT server and push those policies. So let's bring up the MDT server here, and this is the deployment workbench where I have created a task here, task sequence, and this is where I'm going to show you like how it is done. So this task sequence has only 2 tasks. So as I said, like the first task is to copy the exported GPOs to the local machine onto the virtual machine. The second task is to deploy it using the LGPO. So as you can see here, I have added 2 command line task sequence here. So the first task, what it is doing actually is using the xcopy, is using the deployment tool script GPOPack. So whatever is inside this GPOPack folder is going to copy into the C Windows temporary folder. So if you go here, you will see like under the GPOPack, I have TestGPO. So this is what I want to copy to the local machine onto the virtual machine. So this is what the first task is going to do. The second task Second task is going to use the LGPO.exe, which is copied here, which is copied into the script LGPO.exe. So it's going to use the LGPO.exe, and it is going to import it using this switch /c here, /g here, sorry, and it will take the copied GPO from TestGPO from the Windows temporary folder. So the first task will copy this here, and the second task is going to import it from here. All right, so let's see like how it goes. So this is already configured, so I'm going to go back to this virtual machine, and I am going to open the command prompt. All right, so I have to go to my server, deployment share scripts, and find the VB script called litetoUch.vbs. What this script is going to do is going to run and ask me like the task I wanted to execute. So I'm going to run this one. All right, so I wanted to execute this test script 01, which is right here. If you remember this, I have it here. This is what I wanted to execute, and that is exactly what is coming up onto my virtual machine right now. So I selected this test script 01, click next. This should be very fast because we are not deploying the full machine, we are just executing this. And this is done. The operating system deployment completed successfully. So what happened here? We exported the GPO from test PC and we imported here on this virtual machine. To execute this, we temporarily copied the file into the C Windows temp folder. So this is where we copied it, the TestGPO, as you can see here. And now the last thing we have to check is whether this policy is applied here or not. So as you can see, like we don't see it here that it's applied. To see like whether it's done or not, we have to close this and reopen it. Here we go. So this is how you can I have only used one policy right now. You can use multiple policy. You can configure 100 policies, export them and import them through MDT. This is very easy and it's very helpful. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Please add your comment if you need more information about this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.